Hey, what's up guys, Redrumpolie here, and today we're taking a look at a bootleg, a knockoff version of the Figma Archetype Next version in gray color. Stay tuned. So out of the packaging, you can see the figure itself and its accessories included, which is consist of a Figma stand, a regular Figma stand, two sets of hands, an open one, an open palm. Just focus back. Come on, man, focus. And his own gripping hands. Comes with a stand as well, or a rack, at least. Comes as well with an extra feet, which is not articulated, just posed like that. I like the details on that. And of course, the figure itself. Now let's talk about the details. I chose this over the SHF bodycon because of the facial structures, one, and it has its own proportions, or the body proportions to be exact. The length of the arm, length of the feet, legs, sorry. The length of the abdomen is somehow equal with each other. It's built. And I like the details of it. See, because the face has its own facial structures. And what I love about this is the chest and the abdomen, or the abs. The attention to detail is very good for a bootleg. The paint, of course, we're not going to much look into it because it's a solid gray color. Doesn't have much shading. It's just a flat color. Now, let's talk about the articulation of the figure. The head is in the standard ball joint. You can move left to right. Up that much. Come on, man, focus. Down. Pull 360. The neck, of course, has this connector here as well, that you can help the figure to look up that much, and of course to look down this much. It's a hinge. The chest has this connector which connects the arm, neck, the other arm, and the abs, which can help it to move side to side, full 360, forward, backwards. Of course, the gaps there. Of course, it's that as well. That gap. See, you can see the peg is in there. Just help it to move freely. The arms can go out like that. Up to the back. Oh, peg it full up. Sorry. So I'll talk about this as well because it's already connected to the wall joint, so it can move freely. Besides that, it has this hinge here, which we can get outwards like that. And of course, it has another peg right here, so you can really spin or move the bicep to hide the connector, which is really hidden, which is really good for me. The arm has this 90 degrees angle. Has also this forearm and this the bicep peg, which helps it to rotate. Really. The hands is in standard ball joint and it can move up and in. The abdomen has this peg here, which can help it move to the side, move a little forward, not much, a little back, which is fine by me. And the details, of course, still continues to the lower part here and the upper part here, so it doesn't really cut off. Now, the legs can move forward like that, kick version, not much back because it's hindered by this part, which is understandable and which is a normal move for a body, human body. Can do the splits, not much. Oops, came off. Now what I had received an item is really tight joints, so it doesn't mean that you can receive the same one as well. So you can do the splits like that only. The knees can do the 90 degrees kick. Of course, it can spin as well because it's connected here and here. problem. The feet can move back, fully front, angle pivot. It has its stone hinge as well. So overall, you can move it freely or really as much as you want. So you make it this fit. And the good thing here, it can stand on its own even without a stand. See? That's a very awkward pose, but it's really good. The hand, of course, has this open palm, like the details as well. Gripping hands. The hands are easily placed by moving this, of course. Let's place the open palm hands. Give me a second. Come on. Grab for the stand. Okay. Here. Just pick it right there. And voila. Easier. It's easy. So you can really use this as a reference if you're an artist, like drawing for it, example. And might I share you, I already did some customs about this figure, the Eren Armor Titan, and this is the Warhammer Titan. It has this flesh color, and it also has this orange color. Stand, of course, goes through the back here, which helps you. Sorry, come on, get in there, get in there. Where you can help posing the figure in a dynamic or floating poses, like this one for example. With ease, of course. And if you're going to display it with like it's folding, it's easy like that. Overall, I like this figure. Specifically as I made some figures out of it. It helped little clay and the paint. I'll be doing a review with the custom figures that I made in the near future. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is a quick review from the Archetype Figma. Stay tuned for the end pics.